Hi guys, so this is the document that you are getting to get started on your math fraction project. So you are planning a Corona-free pizza party, and you and your partner are going to be asked to plan the pizza that needs to be purchased for this party. There will be 32 people coming to this party, and you need to purchase enough pizza for each person to eat 2 slices. And each pie of pizza costs $25, and each pie of pizza has 8 slices. You will also need to plan out what kind of pizza, therefore, what kind of toppings you are going to buy and the fractions that are represented in the pizza. And trust me, there are many. And then if you're unsure of how to make these pizzas, you can watch this YouTube video. You are going to set up a Google Slides, and each slide you're going to need to show your work. And there are many ways you can show your work. You could show your work by drawing pictures and taking pictures of your pictures and posting them on the slides. You can use the shapes in Google Slides, which is what this link will show you. You can also type out explanations. But really your goal is to make sure that you are creative, you are making your information easy to understand and read, and that it shows your thinking. You also need to make sure that both partners are collaborating on the slides. That means you're working together. You should be communicating through the Google Slides, so through comments, and you can even talk through Hangouts to plan. You might even consider sharing each other's phone numbers and calling each other to talk at home. These are what's expected on each slide. So slide 1 should answer this question, slide 2 should answer this, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5. And you can use the template I give you on Google Classroom, or you and your partner can create your own. However, for today, your only assignment is to plan out what you're going to do each day for your project with your partner. So planning when you're going to talk, when you're going to meet, are you going to meet through Google Hangouts, and then kind of like a schedule of how you're going to get work done. So I'm going to include a little schedule template so that you and your partner can fill it out and plan out how you are going to accomplish these steps by the due date.